How to use Sora AI for storytelling videos. So hello guys, if you want to make storytelling videos or you are creating already storytelling videos, how you guys can use Sora AI for that. So it was very easy. Before going to Sora AI, you will simply go to ChatGPT in your mobile phone. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on ChatGPT. Here you guys will simply paste your script of story, and also you guys will tell ChatGPT that you want to create story scenes using Sora AI, or you guys can tell ChatGPT that you want to create storytelling videos from that script using Sora AI. So simply write prompts for us. So ChatGPT will give you best prompts, and once ChatGPT give you prompts, simply copy one of them, and after that go to Chrome. Here you will simply open Sora AI. Here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on that plus icon. Now paste the one prompt, and after pasting it, simply click on that arrow on right side, and once you click on that, your video generation will be started. So that's how you guys can create storytelling videos using Sora AI. Thanks for watching.